So this is the same thing when you call a person. See, if I called you, even it comes to your mobile or whatever, my number, I was Abu Suhaib. Khalas, Abu Suhaib say, I can pick up the phone, Assalamu alaikum. No. You say yes. I would say to you, Assalamu alaikum. And then you say, alaikum assalam. That's how the etiquette, we have to learn it. Otherwise, it's not correct. You call me, I'm going to say, even comes to you, your name is Hassan. I say to you, yes, even though you're Muslim. Yes. That means I'm listening now. You say to me, Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. We have to learn these etiquettes. Our Sheikh Al-Albani was keen to teach us this. I've heard a number of times somebody said, Nagim, and he said, because he was a Sheikh, Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh. I said, Ya akhi, wait, you can't say it. When I call you, I am the one who says Assalamu alaikum. He said, don't do that. So Sheikh Al-Albani once, he called. And that person, he said to him, Assalamu alaikum. He said, no. You have to say to me, yes, and I say to you, Assalamu alaikum. طيب. What about if now two riding people met one another? Two walking people met one another. I don't think two sitting people will meet one another because they're sitting on each place. So two riding people meet one another. So now there is other issues can play as well around. So if they are walking or riding, if one is larger and which is smaller, we said the smaller group will start the salam. طيب. It is two walking people meeting one another. One is young, one is old. Which one starts the salam? We said the young. The young start the salam. Right. Okay. And by the way, you have to return the salam without any delay. Don't delay it. طيب. If, for example, there's a rider who is, now the riding is like a car, and they are a smaller group in the car. And the one who is walking is a group is larger. Again, we have somebody in the car and his wife and his children. But he is, okay, a bigger group. And the one who is walking is one person. Which one start the salutation? So we have now, one is riding and one is walking. We said the one who's riding initiate the salam to the one who's walking. But now we have in the car somebody who has got more group and the one who's walking less group. And we know that the one is less group initiates the salam on the larger group. Not in this case. The precedence takes place to the walking and the riding. So the riding, regardless of being large group or smaller group, he starts the salutation. Again, let's say that the riding is myself, old man, and the one who is walking is young person. Okay, we said that this young say salutation, start the salutation for the old, but not in this case because I am riding and he's walking. So I will start the salutation even I am older. Okay, that's how you need to understand these things. We don't really mix them up things. So because I'm riding, then I will start the salutation, regardless of being older than that young person, or even I am, for example, I am a larger group than the one which is walking. I have to say the salutation first. Same thing for the walking and as well to the sitting. So if I'm walking, I'm an old man, and the person who's sitting is a young man, I will start the salutation, not the young man. It is only when we are together, meeting one another, walking, or meeting with each other when we are riding. Okay, that's how it is. Now, now we come to the, see, all these principles, subhanAllah, it shows you Islam is dedicated to teach you all these things that would just set the rule for whom to start the salutation. This is a big issue, and there's rules for it. طيب. If the person, we said, who is got entitlement to start first and he did not, from that last hadith we know that we don't really waste this opportunity. We start the salam. So if I'm really walking, this person who's riding did not say the salam, I will not waste the opportunity. Assalamu alaikum to that one who is riding.